Good afternoon, YouTube viewers and subscribers. Today is yet another special day because on the stand I've got my very own OS FT122 Gemini engine. Now this is an engine I just completely disassembled, replaced the bearings in, cleaned up most of the parts and just reassembled it. So this is going to be the first time I've ever actually tried to run this engine, so I'm really excited. I've got the needle valve open. Let's go 3 turns, maybe a little bit much. 3 turns. I've got a Master Airscrew 16.8 prop on here, 2 OSF glow plugs, and some Omega 10% fuel here. So without any further babbling, let's see if I can hand start this thing. Lots of times after a rebuild, a hand start isn't really that easy to do, but I'm going to give it a shot and see. Thanks. That was weird. out of fuel. Yeah! I don't know if I can smile any bigger without breaking my face. Pretty warm. Of course, it's a pretty warm day outside. As you can see, it runs, and it runs damn nice. Sounds like a jewel, runs like a champ. It's a frickin' OS. What do you expect? And the best part about this OS is it's mine. I love it. Hope you enjoyed watching, because I'm going to enjoy running this thing some more.